So you have a Shopify store, you've got Shopify funnels set up, you're selling, you're scaling, things are going great, and you're looking for more customer acquisition streams to branch into, right? You've probably thought about affiliates at some point. Maybe you've explored them a bit yourself and dipped the toe in the water. And ClickBank should be on your radar for considering kind of where to build your affiliate platform out. A lot of the Shopify sellers leverage ClickBank, right? The goal isn't to move all your traffic or move all your existing kind of traffic over to ClickBank. In most cases, it's more of a building new customer acquisition stream and revenue stream leveraging ClickBank. Right? ClickBank is an online retailer, very much like an Amazon is. So think about it like putting your product over on Amazon and kind of building that channel up. You can do the same with ClickBank, right? And getting in front of a network of affiliates and kind of leveraging the payments and the additional processing power and the kind of tax remittance and affiliate payments, right? Without having to worry your back end and kind of creating all new processes for that with your team. And you can just use ClickBank to leverage that. Things to consider, right, is like, does it integrate well into your fulfillment? Does it do customer tickets come into your CRM, into your customer service team and things like that? Making sure those things are aligned is a good thing to kind of do some due diligence on. We can help kind of explore that. But in general, right, think about it as building a new kind of leg to your stool, right, for top line customers and top line revenue stream. In that case, yes, ClickBank and Shopify make a ton of sense. So let me know if there's any more specific questions you have in the comments below around Shopify and ClickBank or different platforms that you might be using, and if it integrates well or not. We can kind of explore different kind of things there and head to game.